Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's move to our next question. In this question, we have to find out the dimensional formula for the thermal conductivity. I hope you all know this answer. I am giving you 5 seconds to mark your answer and then I will move on to the solution. So now let's move on to the solution. We know the thermal conductivity formula is given as dq upon dt equals to minus Ka dt upon dx. Using the dimensional analysis, we get the dimension of the above formula as mLt to the power minus 3 K inverse. Now, seeing which of the following options matches our dimensional answer correct, we can say that the first option matches our answer perfectly. Hence, the answer of this question is option number 1. Thank you. See you in the next question.